Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shamasha. I'm from grade 8 and my school name is Success International School. Networking. What is networking? Networking. A network consists of two or more computers that are linked in order to share resources such as printers and CDs, exchange files, or allow electronic communications. Number two, the computers on a network may be linked through the cables, telephones, lines, radio waves, satellites, or infrared light beams. Different types of networks. Number one, depending upon the geographical area covered by a network, it is classified as local area network LAN, metropolitan area network MAN, wide area network WAN, personal area network PAN, wireless network. Local area network LANs. A local area network LAN is an internet network that connects computer and devices in a limited geographical area such as home, school, office building, or closely positioned group of buildings. Number two, each computer or device on network is a node. Number three, wide LANs are most likely based or Ethernet technology. Evolution of network. In mid-80s, National Science Foundation created a high-capacity network called NSF Net, allowed academic use and provide business. Many private companies built their own network, which were later integrated along the ARPANET and NSF Net to form Internet. Number three, ARPANET was shut down in 1990. Number four, got funding for NSF Net disconnected in 1995. Number five, but commercial services can into the scenario which are still running in the internet. Router. A router is a specialized network device used to interconnect different types of computer network that use different protocols. Example, Ethernet or to a mainframe. Uses of router. A router can be used to connect a local area network LAN to another LAN, a wide area network WAN to another WAN, a LAN to the internet. Thank you for watching my video.